Hey, my name is Sam and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use index match in Excel for faster and more flexible lookups. Introducing tips like this to your workflows will eliminate common errors and give you more control over your formulas. Let's start with a basic example to show how index match works. Imagine we have a table with 3 columns, name, department, and extension. We want to find the extension number for a specific person. To do that, we'll use index match. Type the following function. Here's how it works. The match function finds the position of a name within the name column. Then index returns the corresponding value from the extension column based on that position. This gives you a flexible lookup formula that doesn't require the lookup value to be in the first column. Let's walk through a sample workbook. Column A has names like Carla, David, Priya. Column B has departments. Column C has extensions. If you want to return Priya's extension, click a new cell and type the index match function. Now let's try a slightly more advanced scenario. Suppose we have sales reps across regions. You want to find the sales number for a specific rep in a specific region. To do this, we can nest match twice, once for the row, once for the column. Type the following function. This approach turns index match into a two-way lookup, perfect for cross-referencing data in a matrix or grid layout. It's a clean and reliable way to extract data without restructuring your table. A key benefit here, you're not limited to left-to-right lookups like other functions such as VLOOKUP. With index match, you can look up values from left, right, up, or down. You can also use it with dynamic ranges and named ranges for more scalable models. This makes it ideal for financial models and dashboards. And that's everything on how to use index match for flexible, accurate lookups in Excel. If you found this video helpful, you'll definitely enjoy the video on screen now. Don't forget to subscribe for more web tips.